Okay, let's solve this absolute value inequality. To solve these, we want to get the absolute value by itself first. So we need to get rid of the -1. We do that by adding 1 to both sides. This leaves us with minus the absolute value of x plus 1. That adds up to 0. They cancel. And -4 plus 1 is -3. Now we want the absolute value by itself, not a negative in front. So we want to divide or multiply both sides by -1. These negatives cancel and I'm left with the absolute value of x plus 1. Well, whenever we divide or multiply by a negative, we got to reverse the inequality. -3 over -1 is +3. Now that we have a less than type inequality, what do? We drop the inequality, x plus 1 is less than or equal to 3. Repeat the inequality symbol. And on this side, just put the opposite. The opposite is -3. And then we just solve this. To get x by itself in the middle, we subtract 1 from all three sides. That adds up to 0. We get x. This adds up to 2. This adds up to -4. So x is, if we were to graph this, x is greater than -4. That's this. This is x is less than or equal to 2. That's this. Where do they overlap? They overlap right here. Yeah? And our solution is all the numbers between -4 and 2. Because these are equals, we put brackets around them, and that's our solution. So this is this writing the solution in interval notation. This is the solution if we write it in inequality notation. So both of these are correct. They're just different notations.